warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Hafiz Zikri bin Rizan. I am from RY88. Okay, today I have one book to review to you all. I know all of you know the book and the film. Okay, the book is Cinderella. I know you all smile after listen the book. Okay, firstly I want to talk the book is the title. Okay, the title is Cinderella. The original title is Disney Princess Cinderella. Okay, the editor is Elizabeth Randick. The author is Paragon Book. The type the book is fiction. Hardcover is have 165 page. Okay, the book published at 2015 by Paragon Book. Okay, the language book is English. The genre is fairy tale, fiction, and children literature. Okay, next is character. Character have in the book Cinderella is Cinderella, stepsister, fairy godmother, prince, and stepmother. Okay, the main character is Cinderella and her stepmother. Okay, minor character are the stepsister, fairy godmother, and the Prince Charming. Okay, if do you want know, the real writer Cinderella is the Charles Perrault. Is one of the famous fairy tale writers, popular among children, just like the Grimm brothers and the Hans Christian Andersen, as well as many others well-known fairy tale writer, and he found inspiration for this stone in folk literature. Okay, the theme of Cinderella book implied. The reader can infer one of more themes from it. Okay, one theme is that you should make the best of any situation and bad thing will work out in the end. Okay, another might be good trumps over evil. Okay, the short story is there once was a widower who remarried. His second wife was ill nature, and she had two daughters who were just as unpleasant as their mother. Okay, the man had a beautiful, gentle daughter of his own, and she was soon to become the servant of her evil stepmother and stepsister. Okay, they made her do all the chores around the house, and she was named Cinderella. After the cinders, she swept out of the fireplace. Okay, the king need to find a queen for his prince. Okay, so they threw the hardball. Okay, the evil stepmother and stepsister were invited, but Cinderella was not allowed to go. After they left, Cinderella is fairy godmother appeared and changed the dirty rags into a beautiful crown with grass slippers. Okay, next the fairy godmother changed the pumpkin into a coach and some mice into footmen. Okay, before Cinderella left, the fairy godmother want her to be home before midnight because the spell would only last till him. Okay, the Cinderella was a hit at the ball. Okay, the prince fell in love with her and asked her name. Okay, just then the clock struck midnight and Cinderella ran away. Okay, she was in such as a hurry, she lost one of her glasses slippers. It was the only clue the prince had to find his true love. Okay, who went to every home in the kingdom and had every single young girl try on the slippers to see if it fit. Okay, the evil stepsister could not fit the slipper, but Cinderella did. Okay, the prince lastly married her and they all live happily after that. Okay, the important character in Cinderella is have two, is Cinderella and the stepmother. Okay, Cinderella is a model and good girl that really lost her mother. Okay, her father is married another woman. Unfortunately, she was a real example of an evil stepmother. Okay, she made Cinderella do all the hard work around the house, but Cinderella was diligent and she did not mind doing it. Okay, she kept trying to be good with her new mother and her daughters, but they refused her. Okay, describe the position, course, and the place where she was forced to reside, and she was still the most beautiful among the daughters. Okay, the second important character in Cinderella is a stepmother. Okay, the stepmother is an evil woman. Before the wedding, she pretended to be a good, to win Weasley husband and to take care of herself and daughter. She acted arrogant toward everyone, especially towards Cinderella. She turned her into a maid. She was jealous of her beauty and yachts, so she gave her difficult tasks, forcing her to sleep in the HS. Uh, Stepmother wanted one of the daughter to marry a prince. She also tortured them. The important event in Cinderella is one day they were invited for a grand ball in King's Place, but Cinderella's stepmother would not let her go. Cinderella was made to sue new party ground for the stepmother and stepsister, and they cut their hair. They then went to the ball, leaving Cinderella alone at home. Okay, second is when Cinderella entered the places. Okay, everybody was struck by her beauty. Nobody, not even Cinderella's stepmother and stepsister, knew who she really was in her pretty clothes and shoes. Okay, the handsome prince also saw her and fell in love with Cinderella. Okay, he went to her and asked, "Do you want to dance?" And Cinderella said yes. The prince danced with her all night, and nobody recognized and beautiful dance. Cinderella was so happy dancing with her prince, and she almost forgot what the fairy godmother had said. At the last moment, Cinderella remembered her fairy godmother's words said, and she rushed go to home. "Oh, I must go!" She cried and ran off the place. One a harsh glass slippers of Cinderella did not turn back for it. Third is all women in the kingdom tried the slipper, but it would not fit any of them. Cinderella's stepsister also tried on the little glass slippers. They tried to squeeze and their feet and punch hard to the slippers, but his van was afraid the slippers would break. Okay, the Cinderella's stepmother would not her try the slippers on, but the prince saw he and said, "Let her also try on the slippers." The slipper is perfectly fit on Cinderella. Okay, the prince recognized her from the ball. Her married Cinderella, and together they live happy ever after. Okay, in Cinderella book, I have 3 issues. The first issue is the Cinderella's stepmother would not let her go, and Cinderella was made to sew a new party gown for her stepmother and stepsister and curl their hair. The second issue is Cinderella was not happy dancing with the prince, that she almost forgot what the fairy godmother had said. The fairy godmother reminded her that she cannot stay after midnight because that when her magic was disappeared. At least moment, Cinderella remembered her fairy godmother words, and she rushed to go to home. Okay, the third issue in Cinderella is the stepsister realized how mean they were and asked Cinderella for her forgiveness. the forgave them everything, and when she married the prince, and she settled her stepsister in the castle and helped them get married for the nobleman that lived her. Okay, the next is the almost big problem to me is the Cinderella's stepmother is very favoritism about Cinderella with stepsister. If I'm like Cinderella, maybe I have run away from the home and gone to find another place for my own happiness. Yeah, because the step family is very bad attitude. Okay, the next is if I have friend have experienced something like that, I would advise him to be patient and calm. If I were in their place, I would try to speak more particularly and give my best view for the sake to the perfect. For example, previously treat like a stranger in the house and treat me badly. From my effort to turn a perspective bad into the good ones, make a family happy. It will also happy if I success. Okay, the further continuation of the topic in the text can be written the how many Cinderella have a child, boy or girl. Okay, the situation stepsister and stepmother. Okay, I like to read because the storylines tell about the real life and expressing the challenge to be a happiness. Okay, the Cinderella book. I like to recommend this text to Muhammad Zafran bin Abdul Wahab. He is student R88 in map, and he live at Ceras Selangor because the Cinderella book to show the difficult life can guarantee the happiness if have effort. I hope Muhammad Zafran can think the happiness not come to waste easily, but come to be the effort what you do. Okay, that's all. Thank you.